Merry Christmas, everyone! Look, guys, my outfit for today. My sample outfit for today, guys. Ayan. Ayan. A blue color of dress, guys. I really love it. Ayan. For only 250 pesos. Ayan. Ito yung aking nabili, guys. Ayan. Order ko sa aking, ayan. This one is very nice. Ayan. Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you enjoy your Christmas, guys. Ayan. Ayan. My sample outfit for today. My sample outfit for today, guys. I'm going to the mall, guys. I'm going outside to buy food. Buy food for Christmas. Ayan. And it's raining outside. It's raining outside, guys. That's why ayan, mag-ano muna tayo. It's raining outside, guys. I cannot, hindi pa ako makaalis, guys, kasi naulan. Naulan siya, guys. So, ayan, mag-aura-aura muna tayo. And this is my outfit for today. Ayan, I really love it. For only 250 pesos. I really love color blue also, guys. One of my favorite color. Ayan. So, habang hinihintay ko, tumila ang ulan, guys. Ayan, because it's raining. Heavy rain, guys. Ayan, kaya hindi pa ako makaalis. And I have a dry cup pa rin, guys. Meron pa rin akong dry cup. Kaya, ayan, I drink this for my dry cup. Hmm. It's very effective, guys. And your runny nose and dry cup. Ito yung aking iniinom daily. Yan yung aking iniinom daily, guys. And, ayan, ang tagal tumila ng ulan, guys. So, I feel hungry na. I feel hungry na, guys. So, I eat this. Ayan, guys. One of my favorite food and Goldilocks. Ayan. It's a macarons, guys. I really love macarons. One of my favorite. Ayan. Let's eat. Ayan. My Christmas is not, it's not so happy, guys, but it's okay. I'm so thankful to all blessings that I received this year. I hope next year more blessings. I hope you will always watch my videos, guys. Please do subscribe my channel. Mm, You can support me by watching my videos, guys. Watching my videos and subscribing my channel. And if you like my videos, guys, can also send me a super thanks gift. You can help me by availing also a membership, guys. And ang sarap nito, guys, oh. One of my favorite. Sorry, yummy. Lakas ng ulan. Hindi ako makaalis. Mm. I want to buy a cake, guys, for this Christmas. So, paano ako nakalabas? Ang ulan. But,